Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete ClickUp account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the home page of this ClickUp apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a menu icon at the top left corner of this home page. So let's tap on that menu icon, and now you can see there is a settings option in here at the top, just right side of your username. So let me tap on that settings, and you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the delete account option. So once you find it, just tap on that delete account, and now you'll be redirected to the another page. So you can see it is asking us to verify ourselves. So you simply need to enter your email address and your password of the ClickUp account, and finally click on the login, and you need to verify yourself and complete fewer formalities as well. So once you complete and verify yourself, you'll be able to delete your ClickUp account successfully. And for now I'm not gonna do it because I'm not gonna delete my account for now. So basically this is how you can delete your ClickUp account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.